Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to create a fun and colorful holiday decoration using just a few simple supplies. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need: a Christmas mug, or multiple mugs, a knife, scissors, and glue, Christmas tinsel garlands, the bushier, the better, 15 to 20 multi or single color LED lights with bendable wire, double-sided tape, floral foam blocks, skewers, sharp on one end works best, adhesive tape about 1 to 2 inches wide. Thin and sticky duct tape works well. First, I shape the floral foam to fit inside the mug. You don't want it sticking out of the top, so just trim it down to size. If I'm using multiple pieces of foam, I'll glue them together to keep them stable inside the mug. Next, let's prepare the ornaments. Start by cutting small squares of tape. Any strong tape you have at home will do, and any color works. Remove the hangers from each ornament and cut the skewers to different lengths for variety when arranging them. With the sharp side of the skewer facing down, tape the ornament to the top of the skewer. Sometimes the skewers are too small for the ornament, but I've got a simple trick to fix that. Watch this. I place the main skewer inside, and if it moves around like this, I just add a smaller skewer, or even part of a larger one, as a shim to wedge it in securely. Now place the ornaments into the foam. Give each one a firm press so it slides securely into place. This next step is optional but handy. I stick my double-sided tape onto parchment paper and cut it into small squares. This makes it easier to peel when I need it, allowing me to work faster and stay organized. Stick the double-sided tape around the ornaments. This will help hold the lights and tinsel in place as we decorate. I like to add the LED lights first so they can shine through the tinsel. I'm using a 30-light multicolor LED string, but I'm cutting it down to 15 lights for this project. Adjust based on how many lights you want. Wrap the lights around the ornaments, securing them with the double-sided tape. Then, wrap the battery pack and any extra wire around the mug handle to keep things tidy. Now, it's time for the tinsel. Grab your thick tinsel and start wrapping it around the ornaments in foam. Keep going until you're happy with the look, and then cut off any extra. You can turn the lights on as you go to see how everything looks. If you need any extra supplies, like tinsel or lights, your local dollar store is a great place to pick them up. Super affordable. I like to trim the excess tinsel with scissors, especially if it's covering too much of the mug. Here's a better angle of another mug I worked on. You can see how I've woven the garland around, threading it in and out of the ornaments. And this one doesn't have lights, but it's still beautiful and just as special. And that's it. A simple, colorful Christmas mug decoration, perfect for the holidays. Check the description below for more details, and thanks for watching. Happy holidays, everyone!